When it comes to fitting a frame or molding, even the professionals can struggle. It is time-consuming, and the end result is often split, uneven, or warped. It is a well-known technique that involves finicky measuring and joining of the frame. Even when done carefully, the result is all too often far from satisfactory. A new method is now being introduced that makes the process quick and easy and gives a perfect end result. This patented method consists of a few simple steps that ensure an impeccable result every time. The holes in the saw cut, together with a hole on the backside of the frame, are pre-drilled simultaneously. The frame is then connected with dowels, glue, and a joining bracket, which is tightened. This approach allows for installation of the entire frame in one go, easy for the craftsman and perfect for the result, which now has arrow-straight seams throughout. The fixed frame gives the craftsman an advantage because the bevel cut no longer has to be 100% accurate to guarantee flawless joints. This is because the assembled frame can now easily be adjusted to the center of the doorway during installation. The solution is seen here, combined in one machine. This method can be used whenever a project requires perfectly matched corner joints.